Okay, today I came to see the Minister of Youth, which is Mr. Sowore, in respect of my matter, to appreciate him. As a matter of fact, I've never met Sowore in my life. I have never communicated, I've never called him on the phone. But when he heard that I was being intimidated, he had to step in. As a matter of fact, I was supposed to be in Kujeti today. My bail hearing was set for 27th. Sowore said over his dead body will that happen. And he did it as he said. He made sure the date was pushed forward. And I came out yesterday, and I'm on my way to Anambra. My people are waiting for me. But I said, even if I'm going to miss my flight, I must come and see Sowore to say thank you and appreciate him, which I did. And he gave me a gift. As you can see, he gave me a beret. I'm among the revolution team now.